Hello 5th grade math students, and welcome to Chapter 15, which is an exploration of surface area and volume. We begin by building solids using unit cubes. Let's get started on this short and fun visual puzzle lesson. The solid shown here is called a unit cube. It is a cube in which all the edges are 1 unit long. The cube has 6 square faces, all of its faces are congruent, it has 12 edges, and the lengths of all of its edges are equal. Here's another example of a unit cube. You can build solids using unit cubes. This solid is made of 2 unit cubes that have been stacked together. Let's examine some solids that are made of unit cubes and determine how many unit cubes were used to make each shape. Let's start with this red shape. How many unit cubes can you see in that shape? I count 1, 2, 3. There are 3 unit cubes in this shape. Let's take a look at this yellow shape. Once again, I count 1, 2, 3 unit cubes. This blue shape is actually identical to the yellow shape. It's just laying on a different face. It's also made up of 3 unit cubes. And the green tower is the same shape as the red shape we looked at first. Again, it's just lying on a different face. It also has 3 unit cubes. Let's work another example like this together. This rectangular prism is made up of unit cubes. How many unit cubes? Be careful, this one's a little trickier because some of the unit cubes are hidden. I'm going to look at this as 2 layers, divided along this plane. I'm going to look at layer 1 and then layer 2. On layer 1, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit cubes. I know that layer 2 has to be identical to layer 1, even though I can only see 4 cubes. I know there are 2 cubes resting under here that are holding up the shape. So layer 1 has 6 cubes. Layer 2 has 6 cubes. So this rectangular prism is made up of 12 unit cubes. And here are your practice problems. Find the number of unit cubes used to build each solid. Careful, some of the cubes may be hidden. There is 1 additional shape on the next page. Press pause while you work and move on when you are ready. Here is the final solid. Count the number of unit cubes that make up this solid. Again, be careful. Not all of the cubes may be visible. This wraps up Chapter 15.1. When I see you tomorrow, we'll practice a bit more with identifying the number of unit cubes used to build a shape. See you then.